Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing. CMB Knives, I had the Predator. I've been reaching out to them for months, and they sent me a knife or two to check out and share with you guys. So I wanted to unbox it, take our initial look at it, see what it is. Then I will carry it and give you my thoughts. Guys, first off though, I do want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you all. And thank you anyone who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon, it really does help me out. So what we've got here is the CMB Predator. Not Predator, that's the one I had, the CMB Predator. This is the CMBMADEKNIVES Falcon model CMB C01B, handle G10, blade AUS 10, surface black. Alright, I'm going to take my Amazon butterfly knife so that I don't destroy, well, I destroyed it anyway. I was going to try to not destroy the box in case when we give this away. Now, that didn't work out real well. That's why we watch though. Must see TV. No edits here, guys. Alright. So, we have a pouch. Little troll candy. CMB made knives. Care and maintenance and warranty. Who they are when they were established. Good stuff. And a CMB sticker. CMB made knives. Alright, so what we have here is the Falcon, I believe it said. Yeah, the Falcon. Ooh, the Falcon's a unique knife. So we've got some more troll candy, a nice little pouch, really nice pouch. I like these pouches that have the felt type stuff inside them, or the fleece stuff, and what seems like a pretty good little cloth. And then we've got this, attention, you're buying on knife, keep the knife away from children. That's a typo, but that's okay. Just something probably lost in translation. Guys, what we have here looks kind of like a, and again, I'm ignorant to these things, but I'm calling it kind of a karambit-y thing. So we've got a front flipper, we've got an AUS 10 blade, really nice G10. I don't know if you can see the texture on that G10, but it's kind of milled, kind of contoured, deeply milled, contoured. Got a pocket clip. I wouldn't say it's deep carry. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. It goes in the pocket. Needs a little help. It will be a pocket, probably destroyer, but again, the little ring pulls up, so it's really easy to pull back out of your pocket, and it retains really well. So, front flipper, let's see what we got. Ooh. So we have got a little slasher hawkbill liner lock with a fuller. Very much a defensive posture knife. So again, I don't and haven't handled a lot of karambit styled knives, but I can tell you once I get my finger in the pinky hole or whatever you call it, that sounds stupid, I've got perfect ergonomics to hold the knife, and then I've got jimping and this nice little swoop here to keep my finger really pressed in. So I would think this would be very much a slasher, a box cutter, a breaker downer. You've also got an inside of that hook grip if you want to just use it as a non-hooked into your finger grip For me, it's easy enough to do, but with the finger hook, very sharp. That's what it is about hawkbills, is they are just so freaking ripping. It's like a talon. That's, I guess, why it's called the Falcon. I mean, you can make a grass skirt like that. So, very, very unique knife. Unlike any knife I've ever had in my collection. Unlike any knife I've ever had come across the table. Unlike any knife I've ever used. So, I'm kind of excited and interested to see how it goes carrying this. Now, what I don't know, and what I think are my stones, I might have to get back my little 1-inch stones, or just use my ceramic rod if I sharpen it. But again, this to me is not a knife to go out and break down a lot of cardboard, or it might be a good game cleaning knife if that's what you're into. But for me, it would pretty much typically strictly be a self-defense kind of knife. You know, a knife that I would hope to never have to use, but knowing I had it would be a good thing, I guess. But it would also cut most Amazon boxes, get into most packages. I'm sure it'd hold an edge for quite a while. It is perfectly centered. You've got this really nice, almost halfway metal backspacer. I guess that's steel, maybe aluminum, because that's all part of the ring. Then you got the clip that's a little stiff, but it holds in the pocket really well. Very, very impressed with the milling on the G10, because you've got this rougher milling or more coarse milling, and then this really fine decorative milling inside. And then you've got the fuller on the blade that allows you to flick it from anywhere. The front flipper works great, but you guys know, if you follow the channel for any amount of time, for some reason, I'm not a big fan of the front flip. I'm very much a fan of the middle finger flick, which PMP was kind enough to give that in the design. Very interesting design, very, very cool. You know, just a nice little wicked hawkbill type blade. I'm assuming it's a hawkbill. You do have several different grips that I could imagine with this knife. A pinch grip. I would think that this would be a fantastic detail cutter if you needed something like that. But again, I think its strong point is going to be in Slurpee Saver. You know, people, we'll call it Slurpee Saver persuasion. Persuading people to not try to take your Slurpee at the gas station. But good materials, very nice build quality. You got steel liners, ball bearings, liner lock, Aus-10 blade steel. Do not know what the price is yet. This is just an unboxing. I will have a price when I do the review on this knife after I've carried it for a little while. And it'll be interesting to carry it because you guys know what I'm going to be cutting with it. Cardboard, which, as a matter of fact, we might as well yeah, it's a ripper, guys. I mean, I look at it more as a it cuts cardboard fine, don't get me wrong. It slices through that cardboard. I just think I'd save that edge, not because the edge is going to go anywhere, or because the edge couldn't be sharpened if you knew what you were doing with the edge. It's just one that I think it is an absolute defensive knife that is tactical, that is convenient, that is great for probably cutting rope, getting you, great camping knife, great hiking knife, great, out and about knife. It doesn't take up, let's put it back in my pocket one more time. Yeah, I mean, it carries fine, pulls right out. You've got about this much exposed. But guys, reversible clip, T8s and T6s. Trying to get it where you can see that micro milling there or there. Black wash blade. Got some tape on there. Got some tape on there, man. And OCD won't let me leave it on there. So yeah, guys, this is the CMB Falcon. We're going to check this out. We're going to carry it. It's the first time I've ever hung out with a knife like this, so this will be a first. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you guys. And until then, thank you for watching the video. If you're still here, please hit the subscribe button. Just an unboxing. Again, there'll be more information when I know more about the knife. But please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.